Okay, hi everybody. So against my better judgment, I am going to show y'all my less than stellar clean house. So I'm taking this vacuum over here. This is the vacuum. I'm going to show y'all. This is dirt for my gardening. I garden and dirt just gets everywhere. And I just want to show y'all how powerful this is. So I charged it for about 3 hours. It's brand new. It really probably took 2 hours to charge. That's the charging bank. So as you can see, there's no plug. This is so new age. And then I'm going to cut it on here. Wait. Medium. Fine. Oh, I may have broke. No, I'm joking. It's fine. Got that dirt all up. You see that stuff there? Oh, it turns nice. It has a lot. Look at that. Ooh. Nice. Some more dirt. How embarrassing. Clean it right up. I shouldn't have vacuumed that up. The road seat. Okay, and here's one of the big tests. Carpet. Uh-oh. Okay, this is a very lightweight carpet. That's why I did that. Let me take it. I'm going to take this back down to medium. See? It goes over the carpet. I don't know if you can see. Again, how embarrassing, but it's cleaning it up. So this can go over the carpet, and it's getting the dirt out. And it can go on the bare floor without very much modification. Okay. The only reason why I modified it is because this carpet is just basically a sheet of paper. This is an extremely light carpet. Before a heavier carpet, you might be able to keep it on high. So I guess you have a low, medium, high. No, yeah, low, medium, high, and hold on. Let me show you. Brush off. I don't know what that means because I don't read directions. Low, medium, high. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm being silly now. But yeah, this is great. No plug. You can just go all over the house and just freely without plugging and replugging. And there's a charging bank. It's pretty huge, but so what? You can put it in your corner. And yeah, very convenient. Very good so far. It's helped my little gross living room look a lot better. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Highly recommended. Bye-bye. Oh, and it's a Hoover. Can't go wrong with a Hoover.
Alright, so after using this Hoover ONEPWR cordless for a couple months now, very pleased with it. Was a little hesitant about the price, keeping it, but it's worked out really well. I love the design. The design is really nice and how they did the curves. It's nice and sleek and smooth. Everything is simple to operate. Taking out and nice soft rubber wheels. Nice and quiet, it's easy on your floors, especially if you have hardwood. Now the bristles, they're I would say they're medium to a soft. I wish these were stiffer, but I love the simplicity of everything, from changing out the battery, emptying the canister, and then just simple press and release to get your debris out. And let's not forget, I love the maneuverability of this. I love how the head turns. It's great for going underneath small objects, coffee tables, a little bit higher beds, about like 10, 12-inch beds. But yeah. Great design. I love this thing. I'm going to test it out just a bit more. Get myself more familiar with it. I'm going to give it a good cleaning and go through and use it several times. And then I'll post more of my review down below. So make sure you check that out in the description of this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's greatly appreciated. You guys have yourselves an awesome day.
Okay. Here's what I'm trying to pick up. Here's my vacuum. Hardwood floor. Now, it looks like it picks up, right? You lift this. It just stays stuck under here. So it looks like it's picking up. Let me show you. It just accumulates. Trash. Trying to find the serial number. I can show you. I don't know where that is. But it's not good.
You have no activity display.
This is my review of the Hoover pet vacuum. Cordless. We got low, medium, high. It's got a light if you're a bad driver. Look at those vacuum lines. I'm telling you, it's got great suction. If you got a mess on your couch, it's great suction. You got a mess on your tile, switch it to medium. And then look at that. Oh, it picks up everything. It picks up everything. Chase the dog with it, not really. Mess on your kitchen table. No more. This thing is an awesome vacuum.
So this is the machine, and this pops out to clean it. And as you can see, there's supposed to be a little tab that fits in, and that's what you push to take it out. Well, you try pushing that. Maybe if you're a 200-pound man, you can work it, but I'm a 95-pound little old lady, and it doesn't work for me. But this one just popped out on its own, and now it won't go back in, so the machine is useless. This is the second one that I've gone through in less than a year. This is stupid design, and you have to use a different vacuum to clean the thing out. It's ridiculous.
Holds the hair very well. I like it. I bought a spare battery as well.
Here we see a perfectly good battery fully charged. I am now going to turn the vacuum on. What is wrong with this picture? This vacuum is less than a year old and I need it replaced. If you can't, I will get a refund and purchase from another company. Thank you in advance for your help.
No problem. Wow. I'm impressed.